Welcome to the Would You Rather Animal Edition and subscribe. Would you rather dogs or cats? Would you rather tigers or lions? Would you rather foxes or wolves? Would you rather hamsters or guinea pigs? Would you rather play with the dolphin or the cat? Would you rather a long-haired dog or a short-haired dog? Would you rather have a long-haired cat or a no-haired cat? Would you rather a dog with blue or brown eyes? They are both nice though. Would you rather a sleepy cat or a playful cat? Would you rather have a goldfish or a blue tank fish? Would you rather a parrot that sings songs or gives you compliments? Would you rather keep the puppy or the kitten? They are both very cute. Would you rather the small dog or the big dog? Would you rather the small cat or the big cat? Would you rather a white dog or a black dog? Would you rather swim with the fish or the dolphins? Would you rather be as fast as a cheetah or be as strong as an elephant? Would you rather swim in the sea or fly in the sky? Would you rather run as fast as a cheetah or as slow as a tortoise? Would you rather a sociable cat or a sociable dog? Would you rather a pet that scratches your furniture or a pet that chews your shoes? Would you rather eat dog food or fish food? This is really hard to choose. Would you rather a rooster wake you up every morning or a parrot wake you up every morning? Would you rather have an owl that sends letters to you friends or have a parrot that you can have conversations with? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.